This is ladder escape part 1. Let me show you what ladder escape looks like real quick. The trick itself goes like this. Try that one more time. Ladder escape. You'll see there's lots of elements to this, so sometimes even I'll miss one element in the trick. That's the whole basic trick itself right there. Now let me break this down into steps for you. The first step is something called a ladder mount. It looks like this. You notice you have kind of like a little triangle forming with the string. And from this is why this allows you to kind of pop the yo-yo in and out and do kind of like the tricks that I was just showing you a second ago. To get into this mount, what you want to do is you throw the string as if you're going into a double or nothing. You stop halfway through though, and instead of swinging onto your non-throw hand pointer, you go from the back over like that. I'm going to take my throw hand pointer finger and twist it in towards myself, up and over like that. So when the yo-yo hits here, just like that, that's how you have your ladder mount. The other part to it is, as you're twisting this over, you want to take your thumb on this side and make sure that your thumb is over here. So as it comes over to land, you can display the ladder mount correctly. So it comes over, swing the yo-yo from behind, pull your finger in and out, and stick your thumb in there, just like that. My thumb's in here for my non-throw hand pointer. Swing the yo-yo onto as if you're doing a trapeze. From there, your thumb is going to be twisted, so you want to point it out, take your thumb, pick that string up, and from there you're going to be able to create the ladder mount. One more time for ladder mount, I swing the yo-yo in towards my body, take my throw hand pointer, twist in, up and over, put my thumb in here, use my pointer finger to then land the yo-yo on the string farthest from me, untwist, pick up with the thumb, and you're there. Watch this video a couple times, see if you can get to the ladder mount. This is part 1 of ladder escape. So one more time, the ladder mount.